When it comes to power bank, I prefer the design to be lightweight, has a slim profile, with more than enough charging power to charge a smartphone device to last you throughout the day. With this 10,000 mAh power bank, it does the job what I've been looking for. My name's LBS, your tech guide, and today we will be checking out the Moxnice PD 10,000 mAh power bank. Carrying a heavy power bank inside your pocket or backpack can get quite annoying due to the fact that you're carrying extra weight, or for that matter, extra bulk inside your pocket. With a Moxnice ultra slim and lightweight design, this will fit nicely inside your back pocket without the bulk or that extra weight factor. The power bank itself has 3 ports. It's got your Type-C, your standard USB, and your micro USB port. 2 of the slots supports Quick Charge 3.0, which will help you charge your smartphone much quicker than usual. On the side of the power bank, you will find the on and off switch and the LED battery life indicator so that you know how much battery life you will have left. Inside the box, you pretty much get all the things you need to get you started right away, offering you with a brown leather case, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a Type-C to standard USB cable. When it comes to performance, the Moxnice power bank does justice what you would expect from a 10,000 mAh battery. I was able to charge my Huawei P20 Pro, which has a 4,000 mAh battery, from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 39 minutes, followed by my OnePlus 6 3,300 mAh battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 27 minutes, and still had 1 bar left to charge my S9 Plus 3,500 mAh battery from 0 to 18%. So in total, I was able to charge 2 smartphone devices from 0 to 100% and 1 more smartphone device from 0 to 18%. Charging the power bank from 0 to 1% using the OnePlus Dash Wall charger, it took me roughly around 5 hours and 40 minutes, which is pretty much the standard average time to charge a 10,000 mAh battery. So overall, I'm very pleased with this power bank. The slim profile design and the performance you get out of it is just simply amazing. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you are interested in this product, the link will be down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!